Be showing us how to cite our sources on the Alabama Virtual Library. So for starters, you'll want to open up your favorite search engine and then type in Alabama Virtual Library. It should be the first thing that pops up. Now, depending on what grade level you're working in or your area of resource, you can look at any of these places. I'm going to be doing middle school, so I'll click here. And then if you want to use specific databases, you can scroll down, but I like to just type in the search engine for EBSCO Discovery just for a broader range of results. And I'm just going to type in Greek gods as an example. Then we'll have our different search results pop up here. Okay, and this has access to the full documents in here, so I'm going to go ahead and just use this one as an example. Okay, and then here, if you actually want to read the articles, they are here, but for the sake of citing, we're just going to proceed. You will always want to start by citing the author first. Last name, comma, first name. So this is Lusted Marcia Amidon. So that's the name that we will want to use, listed in that same way, followed by a period. After that, we're going to actually want to write down the name of the article in quotation marks. So coming back to here, this is called Just One Glance, the story of Medusa. So in quotations, just one glance, the story of Medusa, period, end quotations. Now, after that, we're going to want to cite the periodical in which this was originally published. So this was published in Faces on October of 2022. So we will italicize the periodical, Faces, italicize that, and then we will list the date that it came out, and that was October of 2022. And coming back over, let's see what issue it was in. That was volume 39. So we'll want to cite that as well. 39. Okay. Then you're going to want to also cite the search engine or the database that you use to find this information. So coming back here, our database was Middle Search Plus, and we'll also want to note that it was in EBSCO. So to do this, also in italics, come back to where we were, italics, Middle Search Plus, citing our database. Non-italics, we'll type in EBSCO. Now this was a web result, so we will want to type in web, period. And then finally, you will want to cite also the date in which you access the information. The day, followed by month, and then followed by the year, period. Now, because this is a cited source, you will usually want to have a hanging indent, in which case you'll want to highlight it, hit paragraph, special indent, it's going to be hanging. And there we have our cited source from the Alabama Virtual Library.